Hi everyone, my name is Chaco. Today I'm gonna show you to make a natural ink from something very familiar like a turmeric. We will make 3 different types of medium. One is from starch, and one is from egg, and one is from milk. And also for the ink, we will use turmeric, beetroot, spinach, and bag of tea. And what you can do is you can create your own mixture, mixing those mediums and inks together. You just need a small pan and 1 or 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and maybe half a cup of water, and keep stirring, not with a high temperature, just a simmer until it gets sort of gooey like this. Also, if you don't want to use cooking facility, you can just simply mix with flour and hot water. It won't be as translucent as it is. However, it does not matter. All you need to do is to separate egg yolk and egg white. This technique is called egg tempera. You might have heard about this before. It is an old painting method, maybe before oil painting was invented. It's very simple, just straightforward. Pour in the milk. Okay, now let's make ink. Just a small amount of turmeric powder mixed with about the same amount of warm water. And, basically just mix it really well. Just grate it. We just need a small amount. And pour a little bit of warm water. You get a lovely color ink. Then strain the solution and squeeze the last bit if you can. Do not waste. Just gonna use the baby spinach. Just because I had one in my fridge, you can use actually like any green leaf like pak choy, parsley, or mint. You just grate spinach and pour a bit of water, and you just get the lovely green. You can do the same technique. You just use a tea strainer and just press it and squeeze all the green color out of it. So maybe just 1 tea bag of like a black tea. Any, strong color tea will be fine. And basically what you do is pour a hot water, just a tiny bit, and then make a very strong infusion. Alright, so now we've got 4 colors and all the mediums. Okay, now I'm just gonna try straight ink without mixing any mediums. Looks pretty good. I'm just gonna try to mix all the inks with cornstarch one. That is very pretty. Okay, so next one is the egg mixture. It's kind of hard to mix, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, now last one is with milk. Hooray! We made it! As you can see, there are so many varieties and combinations you can do. So now you know how to make ink basically. So you can explore the completely different materials. Like, maybe you want to try with apple peel or orange. So it's all up to you, and then you can create your own stuff. Okay. I'd like to acknowledge that this recording is being held on the traditional lands of the Kulin Nation. I pay my respect to the traditional owners, elders and custodians past, present and emerging.